First, let's remove the black panel. Use your nails or some tools. This step is very easy. And then we slide up the L1 and R1 buttons. Under the bottom there are 2 screws and you need to unscrew them. Other 2 screws here and unscrew them. And then you can open the case carefully. Also, you can use your nail or some tools to help you to open it. And notice the latches here. After you open the case, and you can take out the battery. There are some labels and you should disconnect them. When you do it, you need soft and carefully to remove it. You can follow our steps one by one and remove them. And then you can see screws here and unscrew them. Screw them one by one and carefully. And there is a blue cable and you should notice it. And then you can turn the motherboard over. Notice the joysticks on the front side. There are some screws and unscrew here, and you can see. After that, and you can take the whole motherboard. You can take them out. After that, you will see there are some small parts on the front panel, and you can take them out one by one, and then the disassemble is completed.